Right, so I went and cleaned that up. Does it focus? Focus. There we go. I think I'll probably just put a little bit of paint in the top of this to bring it back up, because it did kind of come off a little bit when I was washing it. Just use lukewarm hot soapy water with washing up liquid. It does fine. It came up okay. I got most of the paint off the top, but the bottom I couldn't get that off. So it's better. It looks better anyway. I might, if I get some plastic paint, get the exact colour and paint it. I'm not sure yet. I might just leave it how it is. And I cleaned up the knobs for it. They came up really good. I don't know what kind. I don't know if this is plastic or not, but hopefully, let's see if you'll see. If it'll focus for a minute. Maybe this one will do. Let's see if it'll focus. Right, you can see there's like all these little tiny cracks. First off, I thought it was like some kind of like, do you have it like if you have like a porcelain cup or something, a really old china stuff, like the lacquer goes all cracky. I thought that's what it was, but I think it's just the plastic's been like that old age. I'm not entirely sure. And let it focus again. There we go. And I went and got some cotton buds and cleaned up the fascia. That is actually corrosion rust, but they all came up nicely. I'll need to buy some switch stuff. I'll have a look and see what the problem is, but I did notice right here it says TX. These are places for LEDs. This is for actually the model up from this. I think it's the last model of the Midlands. Not the Midlands, but the Midlands of the 3000 or 4000 or whatever it is. And it's got TX bits, so I wonder if I might be able to do like a little modification. That I'll drill out a hole here, just like the 4000 one, and put the two lights in there and solder them onto the board. I need to get some wiring schematics and stuff like that, see if I can do that first. If I can, that would be really cool modification. So, what to do next? I'll clean the fascia and that. I'll probably take off the... I'll desolder the speaker or just remove the speaker. I might just remove it instead of leave it soldered on. And I'll see if I can, I'll look at the cases and we'll go from there. Right, it's taken about an hour. And I have took it off with a paint stripper, the gel kind of stuff. I think they painted it because there's bits missing. Because it just took off the spray paint instead. There's still bits there I've missed, but I haven't done this side yet because it just takes too long. I'll probably do this for another day or just leave it because it's the bottom. So don't know. I need to try and see what kind of paint this is. It's like a turquoise kind of colour. So next thing what we'll do is first of all get rid of them. So if I look at this, have a look at the meter. So we need to figure out why it's just... Right, I don't see anything obvious. Maybe the case just keeps it steady. Because my other radios have got... Try to figure out... Wait a minute, give me a second. I can't actually see in there, but I did notice with the case it looks like it's been too high of a bulb, because you can see this is all went yellow. I don't know if that's just because of the age of it, I'm not entirely sure, but should just basically fire it up and see what happens. I don't have a mic, so we can't do nothing until I can figure out how to wire it. What's this? Shit, and it looks like we can't thingy this one. That's a positive, that's a negative. Might need to use some kind of jumper. Right, I don't actually have any cables. So this kind of sucks. Right, I'll figure out a way to power this up and I'll be back in a second. Right, after pushing the connector, just a couple of bits of wire into the back of it. it thingies up, and also if you look at the meter, it also receives. So that's good. I can, I've got a dummy load on it. Let me see. Let me pull this back real quick. Oh wait, you can't see it, but it's you can see there that dummy load's on. But it wouldn't matter anyway because I'm not transceiving. But it does receive. I'm just using my Amstrad handheld here. So it does receive. Can't remember what these are for. Let's see. So we've got CBPA. So this is CBPA. That should be PA, so why is it still receiving? Low. DX. Testing, you don't get any audio though. Something's really shit though. But it may be just because I'm on checking all these parts for. Well, I thought that works. CBPA works too. See, takes out the squelch. I don't know if you can hear that, but it looks like it works. I think that'll be it for this video. I'll probably have, I don't know what other videos I'll have on it. This will be just a little restoration video. Comment, rate and subscribe. I'll probably have more up soon. Probably do the other one maybe. I don't know, I might just go and restore that myself. So yeah, comment, rate and subscribe. Have a good day everyone.